Hello dear students, it's our GK class, and in this GK class we are going to learn something new that is related to the literature. The word literature is very familiar to you, am I right? Yes, in the literature we can see some terms, some words that are specially used. Okay, let's see what are some of these words. And before doing that, before explaining all this, we need to find out which are the words. And here are the blanks given in each of these words. You need to write the missing letters for this. Okay, let's see them. The 12th chapter, literary terms. Literary terms are words related to literature. Given below are the meanings of some literary terms. Fill in the blanks giving the exact terms. Okay, you need to fill these blanks to find out which word is that. Okay, let's go to the first one. I'll read the question. To give human traits and qualities to animals and objects. We see in some stories, the trees talk, the sun talks. Then some animals, they talk like human beings. They express their feelings. So all these, we are exerting the human traits and qualities to animals. What is that? What is that term? To give human traits and qualities to animals and objects. Yes, these are called personification. Okay, personification. We make them persons. Okay, we like in the computer we can see. For the computer we can draw eyes, mouth, then ears, all these things. No, so they will. The computers will talk like us. So these are called, we give them all the qualities of persons. Okay, qualities of persons. These are called personification. Okay, that we are giving them the qualities of persons. Okay, personification. Spelling, I'll write here personification. Personification. No need to be worried. I will send you the correct spellings later. Okay, let's go to the second one. A long poem narrating the deeds and adventures of legendary or historical heroes. Okay, it's a long poem narrating the adventures of legendary or historical heroes. Long poem. In all that poem, throughout the poem, we can see the stories of the heroes of history are narrators. What are these poems called? Yes, these are called epics. Epics. I will write here. E-P-I-C, epic. Plural is epics. Okay. So can you say some examples of this? Yes. In India, we have two great epics. What are they? First one is Mahabharata and second one Ramayana. Okay. And also in the world literature, we can see Iliad, Odyssey. All these are written by whom? Homer. Okay, Homer. And Ramayana is written by Valmiki. Mahabharata is written by Vyasa. Okay. So next one, the third one, let's go. A long story about imaginary characters and events. These are long story about imaginary characters. The characters are not real, but we imagine. Yes, there was one boy like that. A long story, not a short story, but a long story with the imaginary characters. What is that name? What is that literary term? Yes, you are right. Novel. Novel. Okay, novel. Have you read some novels? Yes, I'm sure. Can you say some examples? Yes, you'll say. I'm sure that you'll say the answers because I saw you go and take books and read. Okay, so here we can quote some examples like Alice in Wonderland. Then, yes, say Harry Potter. Then, say some other more. Yes, find out some more novels. Okay. Then, the next one, fifth one. Words arranged in lines according to patterns of sound, rhythm and meaning. Words arranged in lines according to patterns of sound, rhythm and meaning. This you know because you study usually this. Okay. Yes, these are called, yes, poems. But the literary term for that is poetry. Okay, poetry. In the poetry, we can see the verse are written in lines and they are arranged according to the rhythm and sound and meaning. Okay. Then the last one, a short story that contains animals as characters and has a moral. Okay. Then a short story. It's not a long story at all. A short story and which we can see the characters as animals as characters, and at the end we will get a short moral. What is that? Yes, these are called fables. Fables, like Aesop's fables. Yes, there will be a short story and the characters will be animals, and at the end there will be a short message. Those are called fables. Okay, so these are the literary terms that we have to study today, and I will send you the right spellings of the words and one more video. Okay, then you need to watch that and try to understand more. And along with that, you need to do something from this chapter 11. It's very easy. Then there are some words. We can see some words like a ruler. R-U-L-E-R. In this word, you can see something that is something that can be called a speciality. What is that? Yes. Here this word starts with R and also it ends with R. R. Okay. Ruler. The first letter is R and the last letter is also R. Then there are some other words. Those words also start with the same letter and ends with the same letter. Okay. So find out. And here are some words that you need to fill. The first till 7th. Okay. Then something more. You know, there are the consonants. The consonants. And some consonants, they have the starting and ending letters are the same. Find out the names of such consonants and you need to write that as a homework. These all you need to do and I will send you the answers later. Okay. Then today our class is over here and we'll see in the next class. Okay then. Thank you.